Okay, I'll try now. Isa ka petso ako.
All right, so we're at a carnival. Where are we doing?
Coastal Road again. For Araw ng Davao Food Park.
Okay. What should we try first?
Should try this. This is trending in other cities. The grilled pusit.
Okay.
Right.
You want to film Kuya?
Ang pusit, ma'am.
Pila na iya?
35 po, tulo 100.
Hammer, mama! 35. Let's just try one. Isa lang mo iya.
Ay, ma'am. Kasi manimuhan na ako, ma'am. Ilagyan, ma'am, kasi mga ma'am.
We choose na lang. We choose where?
Like this.
Look at the suka. So many onions.
Very chunky suka. Lots of like onions in there.
Very excited. Is it your first time?
Huh?
Is it your first time?
Having dried posted? Yeah. I've had regular squid. But the dried would be the first time.
So here. So many people. Because it's Friday. It smells so good. Here, let's wait for it.
Yeah. Is it still crunchy when you...
No, it's like chewy.
Is it my friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, with like weird sound. Do you like them enough to put a lot of onions?
Everybody's putting a bunch of onions on there, so we're gonna...
That's the
That's the style. Okay. There's another lady doing posted over there.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice that.
Pugnaw sa kadali, ma'am.
Sige yeah. Make it colder, a little colder though.
Yeah, they said pug now. It's okay.
We tried to put a lot of... Ano?
So what's in here?
You put that on the suka first. Like that. It's just suka and then a bunch of onions.
That's what I saw everyone else doing.
Yeah, as long as you can still catch them.
You wanna eat? You wanna do it first?
You first. Oops, I think you're gonna eat everything now.
Bakit mo, ma'am?
It's chewy.
Very strong.
Yeah. You wanna try it?
Yeah. Oh, the head is on mine.
Very chewy, right?
That's so good with rice.
It's like chewing a piece of beef jerky.
No, I haven't tried that.
But it's like spicy onion, garlic. What do you rate it out of 10?
7.
7? Okay.
It's 35.
35, okay. Yeah, we're vlog today, yeah.
Hey, shout out.
You want to shout out?
Shout out sa... Hey, shout out my friend. Hawak mo ang bit. Hawak mo ang bit.
Yeah.
Shout out sa...
YouTube. YouTube.
Hey, my friend. Shout out. Asa makita?
Where
Where are you?
Oh, YouTube. I'll US YouTube, yeah.
What's your channel, bro?
The channel.
Video ko nimo po.
I don't know if you want to American Chris. Ah, that's me. All right, you got it, bro. American Chris. YouTube? YouTube. Search, yeah. I do want to take a picture of the QR code. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Yeah?
I tried it. It's like only 10 pesos.
Yeah, 35 pesos was a lot for a dried pusset. Because I think it's only like 200 or 300 a kilo, so it's dried.
Yeah.
So you should get a lot of pieces for a kilo, but anyway.
Yeah, but we had to try that.
We do.
It's trending.
When we just saw our regular isaw guy, our suki. Are we gonna go in?
Sure.
There's a lot more stuff here this time, and we came later. Tacos, juice, barbecue.
Chicken looks good.
They have dried pussy too. It's a lot of good food. Let's see. Looking for a burger we saw.
Everything on this side are like rice meals.
Okay. Now we enter the music portion where we can't hear anything. Barbecue. Some nice lechon. Looks so good. Hey. Excuse me. Gelato. Coffee. She doesn't like coffee, so not. The one problem with filming in the Philippines is it's very loud. We haven't seen the burger yet, that's right. Ah, there it is. We just saw it. That was fast. She's going right towards it. Let's go and see. There's a sushi place. Oh yeah. Sushi, maybe. I want the burger first. Let's see.
Burger, sir, burger.
Burger.
Try the deluxe supreme.
Deluxe supreme. Okay.
Yeah.
Double patty, double cheese.
Yes. The best not, sir.
Do you want this, or do you want to look around for what you want?
Let's just go back now.
Okay.
Just look there first.
Okay. Good back. There's so many options, it's hard to stop. Wow. Gummies?
Kami, sir.
Maybe you want to look around first.
Internet, sir.
We have internet. Thank you, Paul. He was selling gummies.
Oh really?
Yeah. But I don't want gummies, so.
That's the first one we went.
So we didn't go down the other side.
Oh.
We only went down one side. Oh, it's a little smoky. Looks good.
We haven't seen the pizza we tried here before.
We have not seen the pizza we liked. Filipino sushi. It's like cheese sauce on the top.
Yeah.
Cheese sauce on a sushi roll. Barbecue again.
You want to try this?
You want to try the whole cooked chicken? Hello. Mochi. Mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice.
the second Thai food we've seen here. Nice.
Balik lang.
Very expensive though, $1.90 for a mango. Let's see.
In Thailand we tried, it's like almost the same price. The
Oh, is
one
it?
with the Michelin.
Yeah.
Almost lang, almost.